Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how are you? I hope that you fine and don't forget to stay safe and keep your distance. Let me introduce myself and my friends. I is Fadhiela Rachmawati, number 39, and my friends are Risa Eka Saputri, number 36, and then Maulana Izulhaq, number 35, and then Salma Nurkamila, number 38, and the last is Digwikan Rahmajati, number 37, and we are from group 7. In this opportunity, we would like to present about the role of organic fertilizer in soil and crop productivity. First, I will explain to you about the definition of organic fertilizer. The definition of organic fertilizer according to the Association of American Plant Food Control Official is a material that contains carbon and one or more nutrients other than hydrogen and oxygen, which are essential for plant growth. Meanwhile, according to the United States Department of Agriculture, all organic fertilizer is contains from natural materials and do not contain prohibited substance, namely from plants or animal, seawax fruits, and non-organic material is not included. According to the United States Environmental Protection Agency, organic fertilizer is a manure or compost that is supplied to plants as a source of nutrients. The various definitions above are basically that organic fertilizer is contain carbon materials and other nutrients that combine with carbon. Organic fertilizer is fertilizer derived from dead plants, animal manure, or animal parts or other organic waste that has been engineered. In solid or liquid form, can be enriched with mineral materials and microbes which are useful for increasing nutrient contents and soil organic matter, as well as improving the physical, chemical, and biological properties of the soil. Okay, I think it's enough, and the next discussion point presentation will be explained by my friends. Thank you.
So the next point is about organic fertilizer characteristic. In this section, I will explain to you about two main characteristics of organic fertilizer that differ from the other fertilizers. Okay, let's get started. So the first is agricultural basic ingredients in the form of crop residue and livestock manure. So before we talk it, we have to know about what is crop residue, is it? Crop residue are plant material remaining after harvesting, including leaf, stalk, root, or any part of the plant in agricultural. So the application of organic residue can alter soil of greenhouse gas or GHG emission that have several functions such as change temperature, precipitation, and water conditioner. Besides, livestock manure are soiled, semi-soiled, and liquid product generated by several animals like goat, cow, sheep, chicken, and many more, and their mixture of animal feces, urine, and bedding materials. According to Albert 1991, state that livestock manure has a low carbon and nitrogen value. Therefore, the livestock manure can be mixed with the plant waste that has a high carbon and nitrogen value to be a good compost. So the second characteristic is non-agricultural basic materials. Organic fertilizer not only can be made from agricultural basic ingredients, but also can made from non-agricultural basic material such as industrial waste. So non-agricultural basic materials can be from industrial products. It can be soiled, semi-soiled, or liquid product. The example is industrial waste from tofu. It's from industrial food, is such a tofu, and then soybean. It can be made for organic fertilizers.
Welcome back with me, guys. I am Maulana of Pekalongan. Today I'm going to tell you what I'm doing here is going to tell you about the role of organic fertilizers, the part of what they're doing here on this planet, on this environment, and why are they so important to us. Okay, the first one is it is a source of nutrients for the soil. So if the soil doesn't have a good place to plant, so it's gonna be a bad idea. And the second is as a soil refinement. It includes improved soil structure, improved water absorptions, distributions, reduced soil temperature fluctuations, and many more. So, as I said, the inherent of capacity of the soil to supply all essentials, macro and micronutrients for the survival of plants in available forms and in suitable proportion is known as soil fertility. That thing is important. What I know. And the soil fertility mainly depends on the mineralogical composition of the parent material, topography, biological activities in the soil, and local climate conditions as temperature, solar radiations, and local climatic conditions. It is the outcome of the interactions between biological, chemical, and physical properties to soil due to nature and effects of climate. And the last one is, it is a source of energy and food for micro and macro soil fauna. As I said to you earlier, it is just like a composing, retaining and clean supplying of mineral nutrients required for growth plant over several years. So it needs, just like any other living thing, just like me, just like you, humans, and everything around it. It needs food. It needs food for growth. So I guess that's it. That's all I can tell for you. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and I wish you a good day.
And the next chapter is about challenge to the use organic fertilizers. There are 4 challenges to the use of organic fertilizers. First is if we use organic fertilizers with the same material, can cause nutrient imbalance, because if we use same material for organic fertilizers, the accumulations of nutrient and magnesium in the soil can be occur. The second, if we use organic fertilizers with a matter compost, can interfere with plant growth and productions. This can be happen because organic fertilizers can carry a pathogen, and pathogen uh, can disturb animals and plants. And the third is the possibility of heavy metal content that exceeds the hazardous threshold for plants and humans. Um, Organic fertilizers, especially from municipal or factory waste, can contain of heavy metal. If we use these organic fertilizers on the soil, it will cause accumulate heavy metals, and methane can be harmful to livestock and humans, either directly or through plants absorbs these heavy metals. And the fourth is the last is the needed of organic fertilizers is required in large quantities. It will be cause difficult in transportation and procurement. Indonesia has clarified as a tropical area with high rainfall. The rate of change of organic material can relatively fast. So, the organic fertilizers needed in large quantities, and this creates difficult to transportation and procurement, especially the organic fertilizers is from a quite a distance.
The last part is conclusion. There are supervision and monitoring of the quality of organic fertilizers as stated in MOA number 70 or 2011 concerning organic fertilizers, biological fertilizers, and soil improvement needs to be increased in order to anticipate the increasing distribution of organic fertilizers in various types, forms, and qualities, which have not been guaranteed and their validity is proven, and there is concern that they are dangerous to health and the environment. The application of organic fertilizers in the agricultural system aims to improve physical, chemical, and biological soil fertility, as well as to make efficient use of inorganic fertilizers. And it is necessary to conduct community empowerment and farmer groups in the procurement of organic fertilizers through training of farmers to make in situ organic fertilizers from livestock manure and composter crop from crop residues using decomposer microbes or local microbes. MOL. Encouraging farmers to diversity livestock-based agricultural businesses and encourage farmers to manage organic matter in situ, especially on dry land.